So this is my maternity project. So I started upcycling probably 2 years ago when I was on maternity leave, and we were just buying a new house, and I was thinking, gosh, this is going to cost me a lot of money to furnish. So I used to go to trade fairs, or I used to go online and just buy the furniture second hand, and it's all really, really good quality stuff. And then I would just bring it home, decide what colour I was going to do it, paint it up. It takes like maybe a day. The Inspire furniture paint's really, really good quality. It's a lovely, thick and creamy consistency. When you're putting it on, you only have to do a few coats, and it's a really, really nice finish. You don't have to mess around with the base coat or a finishing wax or anything like that. It's just really, really good quality. So this is the final product. It took me 3 coats of the Inspire Storm Grey. Just put the handles on. I think it really looks nice and classy. I'm wanting to keep it for myself. I've added the flower arrangement to the top. I think it looks really nice. It's not something I can do myself.